This new from WRL Investigates. The CDC is no longer investigating cancer-causing chemicals inside Poe Hall at NC State.
Chancellor Randy Woodson says cuts at the federal level means the investigation has stopped. WRL Investigates has done more than 50 stories, speaking with more than 200 people who say they were diagnosed with cancer after working or studying in the building. WRL's Keely Arthur is live on campus tonight. And Keely, the governor just reacted to our story about this.
That's right, Deborah. Students and staff connected to Poe Hall saying this investigation cannot end, and now they have the support of North Carolina Governor Josh Stein. Here's what he posted on X. I'm going to read you the full thing because it's important. He says, quote, hundreds of faculty and students who worked and learned in Poe Hall were eagerly awaiting the results of the CDC investigation into the building. Because of federal cuts, they might not get answers, and that's unacceptable. Well, now students and staff are calling on the university and the state to pick up where the CDC left off.
I can't believe it's actually happening.
That's NC State alum Christy Lewis. In the 16 months since NC State University shut down Poe Hall after finding cancer-causing chemicals, she and 224 other people who worked or studied in the building reported that they were diagnosed with cancer. Now the HHE, a federal cancer cluster investigation, has been cut short with budget cuts as the reason.
Well, the situation with the HHE is a disaster.
That's Dr. Robert Herrick, a former Harvard professor who oversaw HHEs. While this one ended without conclusion, it's not the only path forward. In 2015, the North Carolina State Health Department launched its own investigation into a cancer cluster near Charlotte. Private firms can also step in, and while those studies can come with hefty price tags, a WRL investigation found NC State has already spent more than $823,000 on legal fees and building reports tied to Poe Hall.
I think that for the good of humanity, it needs to be picked up. We're all in danger of PCBs. And so please take care of us. Please take care of the citizens of the United States and our children by looking into this and getting some justice.
I really think this can be reversed if there's enough pressure put on Congress.
Now, we know that this investigation has been put on hold before and then restarted, so there is some hope for that. I reached out to the state health department and Governor Josh Stein's team to see if the state would take this over. I also asked NC State the same question. They referred me back to Chancellor Woodson's statement about this. It mentions nothing about taking it over. Reporting live at NC State, Keely Arthur, WRL News.